Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
What's going on, guys?
This is HowFast. It's been a couple days. I hope you guys enjoyed that last video with Church and his Sub.
That was a fun weekend.
That was a fun weekend. It's so fast too. It went by so fast.
Yeah.
But today, Derek and I, over the last week here, we were keeping our eyes out, and believe it or not, a set of heads for our engine happened to roll across Kijiji.
Yep, just out of the blue. I mean, I'm looking for lots of car parts and, you know, hoping for some deals, and lo and behold, and guess who it is? Like,
guess who had it posted?
Yeah. Our
buddy Randy down in Windsor. And you know what? It's been long enough. We've been talking about this guy. He's like a ghost, right?
Yeah.
We're here in Chatham. You can hear the sirens off in the background.
Yeah.
You know that's where we're at. But guess what? We're gonna get in the car. It's been a while. It's been a while since we took a road trip.
Yep. It's you know, we both. It's Friday. We worked hard. I had a long week. I don't know about you. I had a long week. I've been looking forward to this all day.
Me too.
I wanted to call in work and, you know, let's just go and get the car parts.
Get the car parts.
Yeah,
so we're gonna get in the car. We're gonna head down to Windsor. Take you guys with us. Come along for the ride.
See you soon.
Okay, guys. So here we are.
Yeah, we made it.
We're in Windsor. It was a fast ride because, you know, I drive fast.
Yep.
But look around. I mean, we're just gonna give you a quick tour of this place. You can tell we're in the right place when we're surrounded by engines and transmissions and new car parts all over the place. So if you can see behind us, here is the heads that we're looking at. These have been completely reworked by Randy here, and they honestly look fantastic. I can't wait to get these things home and get these strapped onto the car. So these are a set of 317, the castings at 317, which is a stock head for these for our engine, but that's really all we need is something stock and clean and working well, and we may change the springs. We may not. It really depends on the cam that we select, and that's actually coming up probably very shortly here, hopefully around Christmas or maybe just after.
Got some decisions to make here.
Yeah, big decisions.
And
Quickly? No.
I mean,
We don't want to make them in haste.
Anyway.
Yeah, we don't want to make it in haste.
Yeah.
But yeah, they look fantastic. So we're going to pick these up, and we're going to pick Randy's brain a little bit more. He's looking for car parts right now. What are these? These are the heads you were saying you were gonna donate to the channel?
This is the heads that are going on the twin turbo.
Oh my god, the size of the valves on this thing. Can anybody see that? It's the size of a dinner plate. Wow.
Never been put on.
And what are those going on? Those are an LS for the LQ4?
Yep.
Building an LQ4 twin turbo.
Yep.
Those are beautiful. So you were saying you were going to donate these to the channel? Is that what it was?
These are trick flow heads.
Trick flow?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
$500, $600.
These are the pistons?
Yep.
And these are 430? These are 30 over?
Those are standard.
These are standard?
Yeah.
So you wanted to donate these to the channel? Is that right? Randy, we came by at the right time. It's Christmas, bud.
I know.
Beautiful.
Zero it out. And I put this in here like this.
And it tells you what
And then the bob weighs 224.
Bob weighs. I see. Oh, wait, so you're taking it right off the top?
Yep.
Gotcha.
See how this one is 196?
Right.
So I need to take more off to
So-
get
To the lightest one.
to the lightest one.
Right, you got to bring them all to that one.
All to that one.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
And these
And then I do the big end after, and then same thing. Kind of wait up.
and these are for the twin turbo, you said?
Yeah.
Sweetness. Randy decided since it's Christmas, he's going to play Santa, and he has decided to give us this oil pan off of a what year?
2006 GTO.
2006 GTO. So this is an LS2 oil pan, and it looks like it's got some baffling in it to keep oil from sloshing around, and will certainly be a lower profile than our stock one that we have, which I would swear is 4 inches taller than this. So that'll get us some ground clearance. Thanks, Randy. Really appreciate it. Anyway, guys, this beautiful piece of metal in front of us here is a GM Performance stock replacement LS2 cam, and Randy has just offered it to us for almost a irresistible price. A couple things that we noted we would have to change if we did use this, and that would be that we'd have to go to a different timing chain cover, which would have a front cam sensor like the LS2 has, and additionally there would be a timing chain and cam sprocket that would have to get changed. So we're really seriously considering this right now. It's tough because Randy's such a damn good salesman. But we're going to think about it, and we'll let you guys know what we decide. It's enticing.
Prove you're smiling. I like that. Let's take a look at your response. Did you come up with the right one? You got it. Yes, that was a tough one.
Surprise, surprise. Derek's decided to play Santa too. And he's...
Well, you know, I worked a little extra hours last week, so, you know, screw it. I'm buying myself some, or sorry, the car. I almost gave away the name, too. Almost said it. No, we're gonna buy some car parts. You know, it's you can't turn down a good deal, and we need them, so
yeah,
gotta do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
So we will need to get our hands on this timing chain and timing chain or cam sprocket, and then this is the
Timing cover.
timing chain cover. No part number on it that I can see, at least on the bag or anything, but that's okay. And that's a stock replacement pump for Mellings?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Okay, guys, so we're very thankful for Randy. Thanks, Randy.
Yeah.
Thanks, Dad. So we really appreciate this, and we're going to put those parts to some good use.
Yeah, heck yeah.
And we're going to get in the car and have a celebratory drink.
And if you need more assistance, I'm here.
What's that?
If you need more assistance, I'm here.
Wonderful, and that's exactly what we want to be here.
Perfect.
All right, guys, we'll catch up with you in a minute.
All right, guys. So just had a little stop at Wendy's.
Yeah, I had to get some fuel.
Some fuel, yeah. Hadn't eaten supper yet. It's what, I don't know, about 8:30 or so.
Yeah, we were too excited about the car parts and just skipped the food.
Yeah, screw the food. We want car parts.
So let's go take a look right now what we got. There it is, guys, all wrapped up. Our new heads, our brand new oil pan, and our brand new cam. Like, who could ask for a better night, eh? And on top of that, to finish it all off,
Bartle Skeets for everybody.
It's Bartle Skeets for the road.
Yeah, little Baja Blast, baby.
So guys, that's gonna do it for our shopping trip.
It's been, you know, I don't have anybody to Christmas shop for, so I guess we just did some Christmas shopping tonight.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, baby.
Okay, guys, we'll catch up with you next time. Find out how fast we can make our car go.
See you later, guys.